Hello. Here in this lecture, I will explain conditional structure. First, it is necessary for this to we know something about inputs. How we can make something like this? With input, we can. We define a name, for example, my choices, and input dot string. Type of our input is script. Our default value is for example SMI, simple moving average. Our options, our other choice is first SMI, second EMI, and third for example SMI, EMI, or M. Yeah, as we have MR, EMR2, for example EMR2. Okay, this is our choice. If I save it, then you can see this. I add it to chart. Then you can see we have an input section here with my choice, and we can select one of these. Okay, we can plot SMI like this, for example, and 14, EMI like this, and EMI2, and then we can give each one. Let me excuse me. Let me check it. So that EMR is okay. So that, for example, RMI, because I don't know what is. So I'm thought that RM. I will change it to RM. Just we need three choice. Okay. What is RMI? RMI is moving average used in the RSI. Okay. Color, for example, that green color, that red, and color that navy. Okay, this is our here. If I don't want it show three together. I want we show us one of them that we select. Okay, for example, here I want just show us SMI. So I can say if my choices is equal SMI, so so plot SMI, but we cannot use plot in condition. Okay, so what we can do, we do this. We put it after my choice. We define a variable, our choice, and default is this. Okay, our default is this, or no, not the SMI. For example, that our default we put default another thing. For example, what we have. CCI. Okay, for example, CCI. Our default is CCI. So, and we put here our choice. So, in default, it will show CCI. Okay, this is. But if my choices is SMI, so set our choice value to SMI kilos. So with color that give. So when our when our choice is SMI, it will show us this value. Okay. If else, if my choices is equal to, let's see here, EMI. So our choice should be equal to this value. Now we change it SMI to EMI. As you see, it will change. Okay, here SMI, it changes. Here it changes. Okay, and we have another one. Also, we have RMI. So we can tell if my choices is equal to. So choice should be this. So here, if I change it to RMI, so it will change. If I change it to SMI, okay. So and we can write it in another way. We can, okay, if my choice is SM, okay. Else, if, yes, else if my choice is this. Otherwise, if my choice is SMI, else if my choice is EMI, otherwise set our choice to RMI. So here, this is SMI, this is EMI, and RMI. Yes, we didn't define RMI, but we said if this is not SMI and not EMI, so set our choice to RMI. So when I change it to RMI, it will work. Okay, This is one. And second is switch. Let's we define switch. Here we have not any condition. Here we don't notice. We say okay, but here we have first condition. First condition is my choice is equal. We write it here, and our local bracket this. Our second choice is our second value is this. Our local, okay, our choice is this. And otherwise we do this. Let me I comment this, and you will see it will work like past. Ah, okay, so I explained here. I explained if else, if else, and if else, if if else, if else, and switch. Okay.